Rainy season. The rainy season is a pleasant season. The rainy season comes in the month of July. It continues till September. The season gives us relief from the sun's heat. Beautiful peacocks dance on seeing the clouds. The rivers and ponds get filled with water. The earth is covered with green grass, the sky full of clouds during the rainy season. Nature presents beautiful sights. We get to see rainbow in the rainy season. Farmers wait eagerly for rains. They sow new crops in the field. Sometimes heavy rains damage roads. It also causes floods, lead to loss of lives and properties. But we are still like the rainy season. It gives us new life and freshness to us. Thank you.